What are Amazon giveaways? Why do people do Amazon giveaways? And do Amazon giveaways still comply with Amazon's terms of services? Let's go. What's up and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to the Prestige fam. My name is Andy. I put out Amazon FBA content twice a week. I'm a multi-six-figure Amazon FBA seller, and I also put out content on my Instagram on Amazon FBA specific topics every single day. So be sure to go check that out on Instagram if you guys have one. You can find that at the official Andy Lamb, or you can find that down below in the description box as well. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, talk to me about Amazon FBA and have your questions answered, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video to find out how you can be entered in that. But what are Amazon giveaways? Do Amazon giveaways still work? And how does it work exactly? If you guys have been in the Amazon FBA, scene for a while now, you've definitely heard of the term giveaways. But essentially what giveaways are is, you are giving away your product. Say you own a brand and you have a bunch of inventory and you're just starting to launch a product. You're giving away your product to customers in exchange for ranking your BSR, which is your bestseller ranking on the Amazon platform. Now, how does this in turn benefit both parties? The person you're giving away to gets a free product. How does it in turn benefit you? It helps increase your ranking, which hopefully increases your positioning on the Amazon FBA platform for certain relevant keywords. So say you're ranked on page 20 for duct tape, and you want to be ranked on page 1, you'd be having to give away several units to rank up to page 1 to gain that visibility, because page 1 is where about 80% of the sales happen within the Amazon FBA platform. And if you've been in the Amazon FBA game for a while, you've definitely heard of launching services and giveaway services like Viral Launch and Rebate Key, where they basically do this for you. They take your products, they give away X amount of units that they find it necessary to get your product from page 20 to page 1, to the top of page 1, and they'll do so giving it away to, people that their database of people that they give away their products to. Now, you may have just heard about this and you're hearing me saying this now, and you may be thinking, that's kind of shady. Like, is this still something that people do? Is this still something that works? Especially going into 2020 and in 2019, the game has definitely changed a lot. Amazon is definitely cracking down on these giveaway services and this giveaway process, but it's still very much active and you still see it very much happen to this day. And this is still one of the main launch strategies for Amazon FBA private label sellers that people still use in order to rank their products. Now again, if you guys are new to the Amazon business model, there has been a lot of controversy about this because Amazon doesn't want you to ruin their algorithm, take advantage of their algorithm in any way. So they've definitely cracked down on a lot of these types of product launches. One of the big reasons why Amazon is cracking down on this is because they do not want you to take advantage of their algorithm. They don't want you to generically generate people that are searching for your product, and they don't want you to generically generate people that are searching for certain keywords to look for your product. And this is commonly known as a search by find method, where you basically tell somebody, hey, look for this product by searching this term and then purchase it, which will in turn show Amazon that this is basically how the launch method works, but this shows Amazon that people are actually looking for your product by searching the search term, so therefore they will increase the ranking for that product with this search term, and this is basically how a lot of the launches work. Softwares have definitely been shut down just for this, and Amazon has again been super strict with this. So if you guys are just getting into the Amazon FBA business model, I highly suggest that you tread lightly when doing this. It's definitely been on Amazon's radar, especially going to 2020. So product launches definitely are changing, and again, PPC is a huge strategy that people are using when launching their product, and I'll definitely release a video on this and how people are doing this. But do giveaways still work? Yes, they still work and people still do it. You see ads on Facebook especially, they're just going ham and they're just releasing a bunch of giveaways, giving away free products. And one of the worst things you can do is give away a product and also ask for a review. Amazon doesn't want any fake reviews, and it's become such a huge problem, especially with newly launched products. And this happens a lot with Chinese sellers. And I'm not talking Chinese people within the US selling their products, and I'm talking about overseas sellers selling on the Amazon FBA platform, specifically suppliers directly offering their product for free, saying, hey, you can review this product, you get a free item. And these are usually high ticket items like headphones, massage guns, chairs, but you'll see this time and time again with a bunch of specifically Chinese sellers, and this has become a huge problem. But giveaways still work. Are they compliant? Probably not. I would highly try to avoid doing the giveaway service, even though it's still a big launch strategy in 2019. It may start to phase out within 2020, 2021. Again, the Amazon game is always changing. Do I suggest using giveaways? It's completely up to you guys. I don't want to suggest or not suggest to use giveaways. I know a lot of people still do, and I know a lot of big sellers still doing it, and that's just how the Amazon FBA business model works. So I'll leave that completely up to you guys, but hopefully this video helped you guys out and explains to you what giveaways were and how they worked and why people do it and why Amazon is cracking down on it. But if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below #Prestige Amazon FBA. Again, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and I thank you guys again for tuning in. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.